In today's video, I'll show you how to give your very first Examvest mock test on examvest.com. You will receive the mock test link by email, and you can also find it directly on our website. Once you open the test page, close all other tabs. Any attempt to switch tabs, copy content, take screenshots, or run scripts will be silently detected. Severe or repeated attempts can result in a permanent ban from all future mock tests and services. Next, enter your email ID and choose your exam part. Make sure you check both checkboxes before starting. This is necessary to be eligible for prizes and rewards. If you check the first checkbox, please note that we use advanced AI face and audio detection. So, make sure you are alone in a quiet environment. Any second person or background sound may terminate your exam. Click Initialize Secure Exam Environment to begin. You will have 3 hours to answer 100 MCQs. Once you complete the test, click Submit. You can check your result immediately after the exam. Plus, you'll get detailed analytics about your performance so you can see where you stand and how to improve. That's it, you're ready for your first Examvest mock test.